Welcome to our third video. I'll show to you how to create your own simple calculator using NetBeans. So let's run this sample program. We will create a simple calculator with the same feature as like this. And then it results. Clear all the items in the controls. So let's start with our design. We will be using the same project, so my first project, and then under the source packages, right click, new, and then JFrame form. Let's name the first program, our first calculator, as this. Hit finish. And then here is our empty design. So what do we need? We need the controls, text boxes, labels, buttons. Okay, so let's drag some of those items. So labels, let's name it as simple calculator. You can name anything you want. So for me, I'll change the font size to make it larger, maybe 24, and then bold. Okay. I guess I did not enter this simple. Okay. So I have now my first label, and then what do we need next? We need a label from this word first number, second number, and then results here, as well as the container of the answer. So we also need one label. So label, again the same label, and then let's rename this label as first. Let me use number, and then let's change it to 24, and then just plain. Let's put some okay, copy and then paste. Second. Okay, so I want this to be aligned. Okay, so we still need two labels. So two labels. Let's create the label, fourth label, and then name it as results here. And then another label for the container. So for this fifth label, this will be used to be the container of your first and then second number. The result of the addition of the first and then the second number. So just remove the results here. Okay. And then what do we need? Next, we need text box. Just click this text field and then drag and drop. Let us use the same size and then font. Drag to make it wider. Remove the text to make it empty, and then copy, then paste for the second number. What else? We need two buttons where whenever it clicks, it will pop a result here in this label below from these results here. Let's rename this as an odd, and then I'll make some changes. I'll change the border. So from the properties, click the button properties and then search for the border. Click the ellipsis and then I'll use line border. Okay, let me rename again and then enter drag. Okay, so copy and then paste. Rename it as clear. Okay, so we've almost completed our design, but the difference with the other application, it has a background color. So how do we add a background color? Drag another label, and then from that label, change the background color. For me, I'll choose this color. And then it did not change here, so we still need to change the other properties of this label. So search for this name and then hit check. Now the color of this label already applied. Just drag. Since we're having problem, so right click the window. Let's change the layout into absolute layout. Make sure that you're clicking the window and not the label to change the layout. Okay, and then you can now drag, fit it to the window, remove this extra name, J label. Tada! You now have a simple calculator with your customized background.